What are the common effects which we are observing in shearing machine, and why it is happening?
Yeah, there are three these common things happen. One is called bow,
Yeah.
BOW, bow. Another one is twist, and third one is camber.
Okay.
So we'll discuss one by one.
Yeah.
See, the bow is, if the material is cut, it takes a, whatever material is keeps on cutting, it will take bend like this.
Yeah.
So it takes shape like this. So that is called bow. Particularly if the thin material is there and you don't have the back seat supports available, this
Yes.
bow will come. If you are cutting very narrow strip, narrow means minimum you should cut 20 into T.
Okay.
T is thickness.
Okay.
If your thickness is 2 mm, so 20 into 2 is 40. So you should not cut less than 40 mm width anytime. If you do that, bow will come.
Yeah.
To avoid this, you use that back seat support.
Yes.
Or and this is a narrow strip you should not cut, and or you can turn the possible, you change the direction of the
Shade.
material.
Yeah.
See, material when it is produced, it has got a trailing edge and a forwarding edge. It's a direction of rolling. If the seat is manufactured, it is a rolling direction.
Yes.
So in parallel, if you cut, it will give more bow. So if possible, I
Yeah.
say if possible, you turn it
Yeah.
and cut it right angle to the direction of
Rolling.
rolling. So it will give slightly better result.
Yes. Okay.
And the second one is twist.
Okay.
Twist, as it tells, this is called twist. So if you are cutting very narrow strip,
Yeah.
it will twist it.
Yeah.
So there also you should not keep less than 20 into T. At the same time, your rack angle should be proper.
Yes.
So that if excessive rack angle is there, then it may give you a twist. And if your blade clearance is not proper, it may give you the twist.
Okay.
So there are so many factors that so you have to take care of these things.
Yes, correct.
The third one is camber.
Hmm.
Camber, actually it is not a problem of machine. It's purely or mostly, I would say, the problem of material itself.
Okay.
See, material, if the material is having so much stress inside it,
Okay.
built-in
Yes.
stress. So when you are cutting it, that stress is relieved.
Yeah.
Stress means it's relieved, so it may take any shape.
Yeah.
So when you are cutting, it goes away from the bed. And finally, when you find that it becomes like a sword.
Yeah.
So that is the defect. That defect is due to the stress inside the material.
Okay.
So you should always use stress-free material. And to, minimize that, you can also take right angle to the direction of rolling.
Yeah.
So it will take care. And other things like clearance, setting and all that you should keep in mind.
Okay.
And you can avoid this. More, if the clearance is more, it will just give the rough and the burrs, too many burrs. You know the burr?
Yeah.
Not clean cutting, it will be cutting with the burrs.
Yes.
If the clearance is more, it will be give burr cutting. And the clearance is less than the required, it will give the double cut. You will find a step while
Yeah.
you are cutting. So that also you should take care.